Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to talk about Stitch. Google just launched this product for UI and UX designer. If you think this tool is going to take your job, then you are not in the right place. This AI tool is going to help us to build user interface very fast so we can make the prototype within a minute. Let's try this website stitch.withgoogle.com. Here you need to write the prompt. I'm going to write the prompt: design a modern football website with feature, and then shift enter. It will take the cursor to the next line. Now we are going to list all the feature we are going to have in our website. Live scores of matches with real-time updates. Then the next feature we are going to have upcoming matches schedule. Then next feature we are going to have match details, lineups, and live events, visual graphs. Individual player stats with performance chats, and head-to-head player comparison. All clubs, World Cup and international tournaments, ongoing, upcoming, and past. All tournament we have to show. Now these are the feature I have included. Now I am going to give little bit more instruction. Design should be clean, mobile friendly, data driven, with a strong use of visual and initiative navigation. Once you complete with your prompts, then you can select web or mobile, but I'm going to select mobile for this tutorial and just click on this generate designs. It will take a few minutes, maybe few seconds. It is actually suggesting me to make all those pages. To design a comprehensive football stats website, we could include following screens. So would you like to proceed with designing those screens? Yes, I like to make all those screens, make them all, and it might take a few seconds or a few minutes. This is the result we have got. I would not say it is stunning, but it is good actually. Instead of creating all those screens from scratch, we have just created on prompt and created the basic foundation. Now we can edit the theme if we want to. We can change the color, we can select dark or light mode, and let's change the color to green, and here we can select a custom color as well. Let me make it little bit like this, and corner radius, select this, and we can select font as well. So let's go with Inter, maybe Public Sans or Neto Serif, something like that, and apply theme. Design of those screens are very simple, especially the player comparison. I don't like the design. Actually, we could have added a few chats or graph to show comparison between two players. However, you can click on edit and you can edit the page. For example, add some graphs and chart to show to compare those two player. Okay, Now click on this and it should change this particular screen. I have made them type chat to render chat. Let's see what it happened. Yeah, it is looking good, but not as good as I wanted. It is not stunning actually, but it works actually. So here, if you want to edit more, you can just click here and edit. But here is the important thing I like. We can copy this design to Figma. Just click on this copy and go to Figma. Pasting here, paste here. Allow, okay, I'm allowing. There are a few frames within the frames, so we are going to see the depth of it. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it is working. Actually, we can change anything we want, but it is not impressive for me. I guess Google will improve this snitch. Let me just go back. We are in the standard mode. If we want, we can change it to experimental mode, where we can include images of our design. For example, for this video we are going to use this. We just want Google Snitch to copy our design. So let's see how does it work. So this time I'm going to select web and include an image. I have downloaded this image from dribble.com. I'm going to just make this page actually. And generate designs. It is looking good, but not even close. Yeah, even the color combination didn't match. There are a lot of change. It is not looking perfect to me. There are a lot of work we need to do, especially in here, the live, yet to play, all those things, and this field is not showing properly. One more thing I want to show you. If you just click on this, you can see the code for this design. Let me just copy this and open a code editor, whichever code editor you want, and I'm going to create a new project with name of example, stitch example, and create. Here I'm going to open and I'm going to create index.html file and paste all the code. Now let's see, just click here. I'm going to open it with let me copy the path and paste it in the terminal. It should work. Yeah, it is working. It is not responsive. You can see there is a gap in the bottom, and it is not looking good in mobile device or other devices. So we need to do a lot of work in here. And again, in here, if you just want, you can see the prompt guide, how the prompt will work properly in this tool. They have given some example prompt, an app with marathon runners. And the last thing I'm going to do is to delete this design. Thank you for watching. See you.